Okay, hi, and welcome to this video. I'm Ekemini Samuel from Clan 2 DX Mentorship. So I'm going to show you how you can start contributing to our projects for this engagement task. So we came up with a proposal which outlines our plan on how we aim to engage the community. And we have a focus for this, and that focus is building a knowledge base, a growing knowledge base that will always be updated on developer relations. So we have an outline here which shows how we plan to go about this knowledge base, the purpose, and the tool we're using. So for this documentation / knowledge base project, we are using Mintlify. Mintlify is a developer-friendly markdown-based editing tool with GitHub integration that you can use to create documentation. And when I say documentation, I mean all forms of documentation, including API documentation. And recently they shipped a feature. If you're into AI, if you're AI savvy, there's something called MCP. So with Mintlify, you can integrate MCP to your docs so that if you integrate an AI tool to it, you can, chat with the docs and get live updates. But that's for another story. So I'm going to show you how you can contribute to documentation. We have the outline here. So first thing is you have to understand the outline for this. So as you can see here, it starts from 0, welcome and introduction, then what is developer relations, advocacy, the X, the community aspect of it, KPIs, career pathways, case studies, resources, and community authors, which is those who will be contributing to this project. We recently added DX DevRel, but so first things first, you have to read this document to understand what we're doing. Next, you have to come to the repository. If you did the first task for this, the DX mentorship, you were asked to contribute to a repo. So it's the same thing here. You fork the repo, then you clone it into your directory. Say you're in VS Code, you just do git clone, and you add the repo name there, and that's done. I added so in documents, you can see some common GitHub commands if you want to practice. But first things first, you come to the repository, fork the repo, you clone it. I've already cloned mine, you clone it, and then you can start contributing based on this outline we have here. So we're going to share the outline, share the repository, and this is the current state of the documentation. I and Joy from the team, we've started creating, outlines of how it's going to be. So when we start contributing, it's going to be straightforward. So also, once you're in the project base, once you're in the code base, before you start working, you make a branch with git branch, with the git branch command, right? It's all in that document. You make a branch, you put your changes, you run git add, git commit, and you push. Then you make a PR. Let me show you a PR here that Joy made. So she did some updates, described what she did. And as you can see, I've reviewed the PR. So I'm going to merge it. So this is going to be the flow, right? You have to always make a branch and do a PR before you can be contributing to the project, right? So I've merged her PR, and if you check here, it's going to be building, right? Spending. So on our dashboard, where's the dashboard? On the dashboard here, you can see it's building. So once it's done, it's going to be updated to our documentation. So this is like a brief overview. Watch the video and get started. Have a great day. Bye for now.